Hello student. So this is our next video on ISC class 11 number system series, and in the last video we discussed about binary addition, and in this video we are going to discuss about binary subtraction. So let's begin. Now in binary subtraction it is performed in a similar manner as we do in decimal subtraction. And one more thing, in binary addition, because there are only two digits 0 and 1, we know, so in binary subtraction require more of borrowing operation than decimal number system. Here we have to borrow quite often. Okay, now we will see the four basic cases of binary subtraction. The case 1 is can be 0 minus 0, it is always 0. Now case 2, 1 minus 0, it is 1. Now case 3, 1 minus 1, it is 0, and there can be a last case that is actually 0 minus 1. So actually it is not possible. So in that case we have to borrow from the next column. So to make it 1 0, so 1 0 minus 1 is 1. So this we have to remember. In that case we have to borrow like we do in decimal subtraction also. All right, so we will see few examples. So this is the first example. Like first we are doing binary subtraction just to make you understand. So in this case we are subtracting 7 minus 5. So in that case that is very easy, like we have done in the junior school in class 1 or 2. Now 7 minus 5, when we are subtracting this, result comes to 2. Quite simple. Now same decimal subtraction we'll try to do with the help of binary subtraction here. So now this is 1 1 1 is binary equivalent of 7, that we can easily do. Now same way 1 0 1 is binary equivalent of 5. Okay, now we'll try to do binary subtraction and we'll check the result. Now in this case 1 minus 1 is 0. Just now we saw the cases based on those. Now 1 minus 0 is 1. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have got result as 0 1 0. Now it is binary equivalent of 2. So that we can check also. So here we are checking. It's quite simple. 0 1 0 base 2 equals to what base 10? That is 2. So here we have simplified also. So because of this, it's a positional value system. It is 2 raised to power then 0 1 and 2. So in that case 2 raised to power 1 makes it 2. So I think that is very simple. So now we have checked our answer also of decimal subtraction using binary subtraction also. Result is exactly the same. Okay, now we do in our day-to-day life using this technique, but computer doesn't follow the decimal number system. Computer do the binary subtraction of 7 minus 5 this way. Okay, so I hope that you must be getting. Now we are taking few more examples. Now here we are taking one example where we are subtracting 1 from 1 0 0. So in that case 1 0 0, and here we have written as 1. Okay, now in that case in the first column we will first try to see 0 minus 1, which is not possible. So in that case we need to borrow. So we'll see the second column. In the second column also there is nothing to as such which we can borrow. So we'll move to the third column where it is 1. So we'll borrow from 1 from third column to the second. So second become 1 0. Now from second we'll borrow to the first column. So it makes second column as 1, whereas the third column as 1 0. Now the first column. So in case this is my first column. So in first column now we have 1 0. As you can see 1 is borrow and 0 is over here 1 0. So 1 0 minus 1 is 1. We know that was case 5. In that case 1 0 minus 1 is 1. So 1 come over here. Now 1 is left over here, that is this borrow. Now 1 minus 0 in the second column give us 1. As we can see it is over here. Now finally nothing is left over here because we already borrowed, so it is 0. So 0 minus 0, you can imagine 0 over here, it comes to 0. Okay, as it is shown in the case the third column. So therefore the result is 0 1 1, or you can say 1 1. So that is why 1 0 0 base 2 minus 1 base 2, or 1 as a binary, the result is 1 1. All right, now let's take another example. So here in this case we are subtracting 1 0 1 from 1 0 0 1. So here I have 1 0 0 1 in the first row, and in the second row we have 1 0 1. Now we are subtracting 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 1, again it is not possible, so we'll borrow from here, so it become 1 0. Now 1 0 minus 1 is 1. That's all. So this is our result in this case. So I hope that you must have got how to do the binary subtraction, and it is used in computer system.